How to turn on autoplay on YouTube. So let's get started. Enabling autoplay on YouTube ensures that a new video plays automatically after the current one finishes, providing a seamless viewing experience. In order to do that, simply open the YouTube app on your device. And also make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Now, once inside the YouTube, tap on the profile icon or initial of yours at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile area. Once in your profile section, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings. Now, once inside settings, scroll down and tap on the playback option available there. Once you tap on the playback, you can see autoplay option available. Tap on autoplay and toggle the autoplay next video switch to the on position. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.